Your Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Chikage Windler.
Most of this summer, we've enjoyed cooler and wetter conditions. Well, that's all changing as things are heating up. Here's a look at your Sunday forecast. You can already see a little bit of haze in the distance from this shot on a Saharan dust kind of Sunday where I think temperatures could soar perhaps to 100. I spent a little bit of time deciding 99, 100, 99, 100. Figured why not? Let's see if we hit 100 today. And if we don't hit it today, we will likely hit it tomorrow. Currently, as of lunchtime, 90 degrees, heat index of 93. I will tell you, although it is hot, dew points in the 60s actually are not making it incredibly humid, the worst of the humidity down toward Fayette County where already feels like 98 degrees. But suffice it to say, we haven't had a lot of this heat, so please take those heat safety precautions. So 99 or maybe 100 this afternoon, average high is 98. By the way, we've now had 23 consecutive days at or below average temperature-wise. And that is all changing as we flirt with 100. Saharan dust, which is over our area now, making for moderate air quality, will be decreasing in the days to come. The next burst not arriving until next weekend. Mainly dry for your precipitation chances and then turning even hotter for next weekend as we end July and start off August. It has been an unseasonably cool month. In fact, our temperatures are running about 2.4 degrees cooler than average so far through the first 25 days of the month. I did a little checking. This is our coolest July since back in 2007. Crazy. And as such, we've had 23 straight days at or below average, 2 days above average. Those were the first 2 days of the month. And only 1 day this year of triple-digit heat. That was back on June 14th, but that too is changing. And as we look ahead to August, yep, summer's here, the dog days of summer, turning warmer and staying drier. So the pattern that we're dealing with now with a big ridge of high pressure over central Texas is likely to keep temperatures toasty. So after today, close to 100, Monday I'm forecasting 100, Tuesday down to 99, Wednesday 98, but then back up to 99 on Thursday and Friday. In other words, get used to the heat we're experiencing. On radar, absolutely nothing showing up. It is all quiet across central Texas. And just to give you the lay of the land, currently at the upper levels of the atmosphere, an upper level ridge is dominating our area. High pressure overhead means sinking air, which gives us hot and dry conditions. In contrast, the area of low pressure that had been over us is now over the desert southwest, and that is why there are monsoon rains with flash flood warnings in effect through much of Arizona. What to expect through the rest of today at the surface area of high pressure is right there at the Gulf of Mexico, which will stifle any sea breeze shower activity and make sure that we stay hot and dry. Now looking ahead for your Monday, in the morning there could be some clouds east of I-35, mostly sunny skies everywhere else. Wake up temperatures in the 60s and low 70s. As we head toward lunchtime, we break out into full sunshine, already up to about 92 degrees in Austin. By afternoon, I'm forecasting a high of 100 with sunshine in place, 101 in Mason, 98 in Llano, 93, the cool spot out in LaGrange. Meantime, Tuesday and Wednesday, we might squeeze out a stray shower, but chances are so low, I'm only going with a 10% chance. Let's talk about air quality. Currently, it is in the yellow, moderate range. The reason? Saharan dust, and that Saharan dust is likely to decrease, but still linger enough that we will see another code yellow moderate day as we head into your Monday. So if it's bothering you now, it'll probably still be bothering you for tomorrow. Air quality forecast for the next 2 days in the moderate range due to light and lowering amounts of Saharan dust. Here's what I'm talking about. As we head toward tonight, we should be in a relative minimum of dust. But then heading into tomorrow, we see some more that wraps right into our area again. So light dust equaling, well, maybe some minor issues for those of you who have respiratory problems. And as we head toward Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we get into a gap between Saharan dust makers. But by Friday, some new dust pushing onshore down in South Texas, making it to our area by Sunday. So next weekend, starting off August with more Saharan dust. And as you can see, as we look our way toward Africa and the Atlantic. Yep, there's more where that came from. So we'll just look for periodic rounds of Saharan dust. That Saharan dust, by the way, does inhibit tropical development. It also inhibits rain in general. Rain chances, I've only got a 10% chance on Tuesday and Wednesday. At one point, it looked a little bit more bullish for rain on both of those days, but now latest computer models are saying, nope, not looking good at all. So at most, you may be hard-pressed to see more than 1/10 of an inch over the next week, weather-wise. Taking a closer look through the rest of today and into your day tomorrow, we stay hot and dry with high pressure dominating our weather. Heading into Tuesday, remember I threw in a 10% rain chance. You can see about Tuesday afternoon, especially east of I-35, a stray shower can't be ruled out. That's it. That's the only reason for that 10% chance. And then as we head into Wednesday, a 10% chance yet again with the better chances of seeing a spotty shower in the hill country. And then that's it. Heading into Thursday, we're back to dry weather. Sea breeze showers may be possible, and it wouldn't be impossible for maybe Fayette County to grab one of those, but the rest of us stay dry. Same thing on Friday as temperatures edge back up, and then by next weekend, we're back into triple-digit territory on Saturday as well. I think Sunday we could hit 101, which would be the hottest so far of 2021. Broad view of the entire area. As far as how much rain we pick up over the next week, this is from the European computer model. Slim to none in most of the Lone Star State, picking up less than 1/4 of an inch of rain, even with coastal areas seeing a few sea breeze showers. So a mainly dry end to July and start to August. In the tropics, X marks the spot off the southeast coast in orange with a 50% development chance off the Atlantic. Next named storm will be Fred. South of Mexico and Central America, a 20% development chance in yellow. And in red, way out in the Pacific, a 70% development chance. That's the most likely of these 3 disturbances to turn into a tropical system. Next named storm, Hilda in the Pacific and Fred in the Atlantic. Let's take a closer look at the system that is off the southeast coast. Spaghetti models. These are the possible storm tracks. Kind of all over the place. None of them heading toward Texas, though, but potentially folks across portions of Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina could see some of this, maybe even as far west as Alabama. So in the days to come, we'll be tracking that at least as a rainmaker and bringing some rip current threat and that kind of thing. All right, so here we are with the 7-day forecast. Temperature-wise, triple digits possible Sunday, Monday. If we don't get there, we'll be close. And while we're talking about triple digits being such a big deal, it's worth noting our average high is 98. So this is still basically typical, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, upper 90s, low rain chances. Then back to dry weather for the rest of the week, and you are all caught up. So please make sure you tune in to CBS Austin and Avery Tomasco later on this evening for updates on this hot, steamy forecast. Make sure you stay safe, stay hydrated, and I'll talk to you soon.